Hi Artlings, it's Melanie Gruby with Creative Magic, and this is Shake It Up week. So life kind of shook it up for me, so let's talk about it. So, health issues, family issues, life tests. Hey, I thought I passed all the life tests and choices. So one thing I did learn, it's easier if you practice on the small choices first. And then if you remember what you've already learned, that helps if you can integrate it. That's a rough one. But that's like the greater physical world. And then there's the personal path. That's like me and all my emotion and awareness and higher consciousness. Well, I kind of want to make art separately from all that life stuff, and it doesn't work that way. So the art and the creativity actually seem to issue forth from my experiences of the rough life stuff. And I thought I had plenty to draw on already, really. So I can't really wait for life to stop so I can make art. And so I've figured out that I have to tend to life and to tend to art and see if I can't balance them. But sometimes one's going to get more attention than the other, and then it will go the other way too. But it's that fine art of tending art and art of tending life. All I know is I have to tend to each with love and care. So to you Artlings, love and care. And remember, don't be afraid to spill a little paint, a little ink, or a few pixels. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Look, everybody! I'm the star!
Ben, what are you doing?